Hello everyone, I am Sarah and today I will make an effort to am going to put in front of you my opportunity that is given to me on Father's Day. The aim of my speech is to help understand the significance of celebration Father's Day. Somebody rightly said that the greatest gift I ever had came from God. I call him Dad. It is the time when we should understand how lucky we are to have a father. There are people out there who are not lucky enough to have a father, and they are the one who will understand the importance of having father. There are plenty of reasons to feel glad to have a father like one you have. First, in the childhood, he makes the life delightful one for his children, and when they grow up, he gives us so many beautiful memories. Each one of us may have at a point in life felt that a beautiful life as it is today. On a concluding note, I would like to say that love your lest he leaves you. He is the one precious gem in your life. Thank you.